Alright, how you make Google Slides. So, I already have one made here, but you can make one up here by just clicking it. So, the title, you can choose any title you would like. You can put it by your name if you're doing a school project. You can also add more by just clicking this button of how many slides you need. Or you could just press backspace and get back up to the original slide. So I'm going to add another slide, and I'm going to show you that you can change the background to any color here, or you come over here and click any color here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to image. You can either get an image from your Google Drive here, or you can just search any image here. I'm just going to search puppies. And I'll just pick this one. So there you go. There's your dog. You can also change the theme here from any choice of these, or you can import a theme here. Okay, so I'm just going to keep it where it is. You can also change the, where'd it go? The color of the text, or you can change the type of text you have. So lobster, type it in, it'll look differently. And you can also click file here, and you can make a copy if you were to lose it, or if anything ever happened to it. You can download it. Oh, and also you can share it to anyone. So let's say someone backspaces this or deletes it, like that. You can just click this button and it'll come right back right here, the undo. And you can also print the paper. Click on print, and you can choose it. You can zoom it out or in, however you prefer it. You can make as many copies as you want here, or you can change the destination to any printer here. And go back here. So that's, oh, you can also present it here. And that's going to be the end of the video here.